Can sugar go bad? Expert insights and storage tips. Granulated white sugar and brown sugar have different shelf lives due to their varying sugar content and storage conditions. By understanding the differences between granulated white sugar and brown sugar, as well as considering proper storage conditions, you can ensure that your sugars remain fresh for longer periods. To ensure the longevity and quality of your sugar, it is essential to store it properly. Follow these guidelines to keep your sugar fresh and free from spoilage. Use an airtight container. Store sugar in a sealed, airtight container to prevent moisture absorption. Find a cool, dry place. Choose a cool and dry location away from direct sunlight for storing your sugar. Avoid strong-smelling substances. Keep sugar away from strong-smelling substances such as spices or cleaning products that could affect its flavor. Regularly check for signs of spoilage. Periodically inspect your stored sugar for any signs of spoilage or clumping. Thanks for watching.